Good afternoon, everybody. A little parcel here from Clean Your Car. Let's see what I've ordered. I'm still thinking about getting a, what do you call it, AVA Norwegian pressure washer. So let's see what I got, shall we? Goodies. Aha. New snow foam, but it looks like they've cross-threaded it putting it on. Let's just make sure that screws in. No, that's cross-threaded. So whoever... Oh, no. There we go. Brass fittings, quite nice. Yep. Can live with that. That's all good. Aha. The great stuff. This stuff is amazing. Guyon. Guyon wet coat. Brilliant. First time using this. Built hammer, snow foam, touchless. Let's see what that's about. Guyon Bathe Plus. Anyone used this stuff before? This is car shampoo. This is ceramic coat shampoo as well. Nice. Oh, internal wipes. Don't need to open them. I'll use them. And the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Microfiber Drying Towel. Well, hopefully they all do their stuff that they're meant to do. I am now going to wait, because as you can see it's a bit sunny out there, it's a bit warm. And I want to wash my car before my car journey tonight up to Yaxel in the Midlands, where I meet the rest of the team before we go to Spa tomorrow. Right, quick and easy. Ta-ra guys.